Hello friends, how are you all? This is Lakshya Roda and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing a small blunder which I was doing in my Jenkins production environment. So let me tell you, so I hope this will help some of you guys who are new to Jenkins. So what I was doing, this is a dummy Jenkins instance I have created to show you guys. So what I was doing, I was actually doing some testing, updating some code in the repo and doing some testing and then deploying that. So while deploying, I was basically building the Jenkins pipeline again and again using build with parameters. So that is actually the wrong practice, and I also that was the wrong thing I was doing. So I was being told by my seniors, since I'm also new to Jenkins, as you guys know, I'm majorly working on Azure Devops only. So this is the blunder which I was doing. So instead of, so let's suppose you are testing something using Jenkins, you want to deploy to a test environment. So instead of building with parameters again and again, you can simply rebuild your last build. So if you go to your last build and search for rebuild, it's not. So this is the option. You need to go to this option rebuild and click on rebuild. So what it will do, it will basically rebuild the last build without changing any parameters. So this is the difference between the two. So build with parameters will create a new build in which you can change the parameters, and also if you are doing any testing, this is not recommended. You can simply rebuild the last build, so that will ensure that you are not changing any parameters even by mistake. But if you are doing build with parameters, then you might change some parameters by mistake and a wrong deployment would get triggered on your test environment. So this was the mistake which I was doing in Jenkins. So once again I would like to tell you, like, instead of going to build with parameters, if you are doing any testing, you can simply make use of rebuild option. So that will completely test your build without changing any parameters. And one more thing, some guys may be wondering who are new to Jenkins how I got a rebuild option here. This option will not be visible by default. You have to install one Jenkins plugin. Go to manage Jenkins, manage plugins and available, and search for rebuild. Since that is already installed in mine, so that will show up here. So this is a plugin, rebuilder plugin. This plugin is used for rebuilding a job using the same parameters as I told. So you don't have to build with parameters, you simply have to rebuild the job with the same parameters. So this was the mistake or blunder, I would say, which I was doing. So I thought of making a video on that, and I hope this will definitely help you guys. So yeah, this is it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.